BetterSlimmerYou, I'm Lisa, and in this video I'm going to recreate a jump rope workout that I created back in September. It's a really awesome workout to lose the belly fat that you can do anywhere, at home, at the park, in the gym. I am going to be using some additional equipment other than a jump rope, but feel free to substitute them with something heavy or not even using them at all if you don't have that ability. But it is a follow along video. I hope you're ready to sweat. A little side note, the reason why I'm recreating that workout is because I did it with a double tap. So in this video, I'm going to do all of the 8 moves with a jump rope with a single tap. Double tap is easier for beginners, but it's much better to progress to a single tap because that's where the maximum results are gonna come in, and it's a much better technique overall. So that's what we're doing today. That workout is really awesome, and I wanted to put together another one with a single tap. You can watch the video explaining how to jump rope correctly for beginners right here if you still find yourself doing the double tap. But other than that, let's jump right in. First order of business is to apply some sweet sweats on the problem area. The belly fat, those lovely love handles, the ones that we all like so much. And of course, we are going to check how many calories we burn at the end. So I'm going to apply this on my belly and then on my thighs. You can apply it whatever you feel like you need a little extra help. Yeah, so for me, like, I applied it on my stomach and my thighs. For somebody, it might be their arms or maybe even back. So whatever you have some problem areas, apply it there if you have it. But if you don't worry about it. You can totally skip this step. It's 100% optional. Grab your jump rope and let's go. Find yourself stopping, just take a breather for a few seconds and then jump back in. Alright, how are you doing, my loves? It was an awesome workout. I feel drenched in sweat. I still wonder how my hair managed to look great and survive throughout this 10-minute circuit. But the real question is, how much calories did I burn throughout this 10-minute jump rope circuit? Let's check my fitness band. So my tracker is showing me 791 calories. Not too shabby for 10 minutes, right? For an extra calorie burn and extra benefits and more challenge, you can do this circuit for 1 or 2 more times. Now I have a request for you. Comment down below how much calories did you burn throughout this circuit. I'm assuming it's gonna be similar, but I still wanna know. I'm so curious because, you know. And of course, as always, if you enjoyed this video and you worked out with me, don't forget to hit that like button so that I know that you are putting in the work and treating your body the way it should be. If you're not a part of the Foxy family yet, don't forget to gently hit that subscribe button and notification bell to be notified every single time I upload a new video. And of course, many more are coming. And yeah, I love you all. Thank you so much for working out with me today. Until next time.